Good morning, class 6. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing great and rocking. So, exams are going to start. I just want to repeat the same thing again, telling you that please read your chapters properly and make sure you have learned everything properly. So that when you read the questions, you understand what is there in that question and you are seeing the four answers, you will know which one to answer. So that knowledge will be there inside your brain. So today we are back at English and we are going to do Ahun. It's the name is Aun. Ahdun Aun. It's a person in Iceland, so the pronunciation is going to be Ahun. So it's a story about a man living in Harald of Norway, in Iceland. He stays in Iceland in it's called the West Fords. It's not Jords, it's called the West Fords. It's a large peninsula northwestern Iceland and an administrative district. It lies on the Denmark Strait. These are called in the Iceland, North Pole side. It's very cold, a poor person. So basically, before I want to start the chapter, I just want to talk to you. Um, what do you understand um, by a gift? What is a gift? What is the meaning of a gift or a present? What defines a gift to you in your language? In English, we'll say something given voluntarily without payment in return to show a favor towards someone, honor an occasion, or make a gesture of assistance, present something without any particular effort or by the recipient, you know, uh, something like that. That's what, but generally, what is a gift? Right? Something good you receive, something good happens to you, even though you might not deserve it, but this opportunity happens, and that is the gift from God. You are a gift from God to your parents. Your parents are a gift of gift from God to you. They don't ask anything in return. Do they take any money in return? They only want you to be good and become a good person. Gift and present. Present also means the same thing today. That is also a gift by God. Today is the day which is there. You don't know what is tomorrow. You have never seen tomorrow. Generally, a gift is wrapped up into something. A present is usually something given to someone on a special occasion. It's in English, that meaning. Gift does not have any feelings. Gift does not have anything. Gift is just without any, what to say, when you want to gift someone something, you give it by heart. You don't have any bad feelings inside it. When God gives us talent, that is also a gift, right? God gives us wisdom, God gives us understanding, God counsels us, God fortitudes our knowledge, piety, and the fear of the God. We also fear the Lord, the God. Right? So that is all about it. We must appreciate things when people gift us. We just do it from out of our heart because we are good people. If you are good, If your thinking is good, if you are a positive person, obviously your gift is going to be a good thing. Okay. So this is a story about a person, a very poor person. But he always had that dream of going on voyages, adventure, and he wanted to. But he didn't have money. But that too, he has given wonderful gifts to people. If you do something good and if you do it by heart, that comes back to you in a much more bigger way, right? When you do something good, something always comes back to you. But if you do something bad, that bad thing comes back to you. So this is all about this poem, Ahun and the Bear. He lives in Iceland in the fords, and he wants to travel to Norway, Greenland, and he's wanting to do some adventure, meet the king. We always have that fashion in our dreams. We always want to meet the king. So what happened in this journey? We will read about it. It's a short tale written by Ursula Singe. She's from England. It's a poor Icelander, person of Iceland is called an Icelander, from the West Forts, the harshest region in the whole country of that part of Denmark, who decides to take a polar bear as a present to Sven II, the king. Ahun sticks to his task despite having to pass through the court of Haraldr, who is continually at odds with Sven. Sven and Haraldr are two kings, but they don't like each other. And proceeds on a pilgrimage to Rome also he goes. Ahun's mixture of determination, that audacity and humility leads him to gain, respect of both the kings. And through him the respect for one another also increases. Because of one person, two people who have been away from such a long time, they don't have the same thinking or whatever, they come together because of one person. So how does this happen? We'll go and take a look. He's a poor man working for his mom. He has his mom, poor old mom, so he has to work. Full of ice. A ship from Norway arrives and Ahun aids the captain with advice and sells goods for him. In return, the grants Ahun passage, to take him to Iceland, to take him out from there on his journey. 1,000 years ago, in the west fort of Iceland lived a youth named Ahun. Ahdun. While the actual pronunciation is Aun. While Aun lived a simple life with his widowed mother, he yearned for adventure in a faraway land. I'll come back in the next video.